Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentation. Today we are going to discuss about how to do the rate analysis for the aluminum formwork introduction. What is meant by a formwork? Formwork is a die or a mold. It can be temporary or maybe permanent, including all supporting structure. What are the requirements of a good formwork? Good formwork should give a proper shape and support to the concreting until it is at times to carry out its own self weight. It should be capable of carrying all dead and imposed loads apart from its own weight. Speedy erection and dismantling should be rigid enough. Ease of handling. Forms of shutters must be of size and weight that can be handled by the labor and plant available at the site. More usability. Aluminum formwork. Simple system of erection made of aluminum alloy as per the structural design. Convenient for repetitive use and type of structure. Use of wedge pin for fixing. Systematic approach for execution. Monolithic structures casting is possible. This is the image of a aluminum formwork executed at a project site. Shuttering parts and accessories and its usages. In these images, I shown the shuttering for a columns, beams, wall panel, slab soffit, etc., including identifying the various spare parts used in the aluminum formwork. For further detail, you should have verified my previous presentation, which explained every parts and its usages. Aluminum formwork can be used an average of 100 repetition. Let us calculate for 1075 square meter as it has been practically done at one of the project. Cost of a material 1075 into 10,000 rupees, 1 crore 7 lakh 50,000 rupees. Number of repetition is 100. So, material cost per 1000 square meter is equal to 1 lakh 7,500 rupees. Shuttering release, you mean to say shuttering oil will cost you 2 rupees per square meter. That will cost you 2150. Wedge clip accessories and repairing charges which is bound to happen after 20 or 30 repetition. Let us consider 2 rupees per square meter. For 1075 square meter, it will be 2150. Now, let us calculate the material cost for 1075 square meter. Material 1 crore 7 lakhs 500 rupees. Shuttering oil 2150. Reimbursing charges is 2150. Hence, the material cost for 1075 square meter will be 1 lakh 11,800. Cost per square meter will be 104 rupees. Now, let us do the analysis for a labor based on a 3-day cycle, which is actual at one of the project site. Material cost. Cost of aluminum formwork is ranging from 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per square meter. Now, here we are going to talk about the productivity. First day cycle, external will be 50% area, that is a 50%. De-shuttering 50%, we require 4 carpenters and 8 helpers. Number of hours is 8, 96 hours. Bracket fixing, removing and fixing 60%, 4 helpers, 4.5 hours, that is 18 hours. Working platform, removing and fixing 60%, 4 helpers, 8 hours, that is a 32. Cleaning of shutters, wall tie removal, 4 helpers, 3.5 hours, that means 14 hours. Lifting and fixing of shutters, 4 carpenter fitter, helper 16, 7 hours, that is 440 hours. C&D flat type. De-shuttering 75%, 6 carpenter, 10 helpers, 4.5 hours, that is a total 72 hours. Cleaning of shutters, 8 helpers, 8 hours, total of 64 hours. Shifting of shutters to the next level, 6 carpenters and 10 helpers, 3.5 hours, that is 56 hours totally. Erection of wall shutters internally 75 percentage, 6 carpenters and fitter, 18 helpers, 7 hours, that is 16.8 hours totally. Staircase and lobby area, de-shuttering 50 percentage, 2 carpenter and filter, 2 helpers, 4.5 hours, it is 18 hours total. Cleaning and shifting 50 percentage, 2 helpers, 2 hours total, that means 4 hours. Erection of shutters 50 percentage, 2, 4 is the helpers, 10.5 hours, then 63. Then there is supervision and material charges. Then external area 50 percentage we will see. De-shuttering 50 percentage, 4 carpenters, 8 helpers, 8 hours, that is 96 hours. Bracket fixing, removing and fixing 40 percentage, 4 helpers, 4.5 hours, 18 hours. Working platform, removing and fixing 40 percentage, because we already done 60 percentage on the first day. 4 hours, 8 hours total, that is 32 hours. Cleaning of shutters, wall tie removal, 4 helpers, 3.5 hours, that is 14 hours total. Lifting and fixing, 4 carpenters, 16 helpers, 7 hours, that is 140 hours. De-shuttering 25 percentage, 2 carpenters, 4 fitters, 4.5 hours, 27 rupees. Cleaning of shutters, 4 helpers, 4.5 hours, that is 18 hours. Shifting of shutters to the next level, 4 helpers, 5.5 hours, that is 22 hours. Erection of wall shutters internal 25 percentage, 2 carpenters, 4 helpers, 5.5 hours, total 33 hours. Flat type, de-shuttering 50 percentage, because we already done a 50 percentage. 4 carpenters and 6 helpers, 4.5 hours, that is 45 hours. Cleaning of shutters, 4 helpers, 8 hours, that is 32 hours. Shifting of shutters to the next level, 4 carpenters, 6 helpers, 3.5, 35 hours. Erection of wall shutters 35 percentage, 4 carpenters, 10 helpers, 7 hours, that is 98 hours. Staircase and lobby area. De-shuttering 50 percentage, 2 carpenters, 2 helpers, 4.5, that is 18 hours. Cleaning and shifting 2 helpers, 2 hours, that is 4 hours. Erection of shutters 50 percentage, that is 2 carpenters and 4 helpers, 10.5 hours, that is 63 hours totally. Pins and wedges collection 1 helper, that is 15 hours, that is 15 hours. Supervisors 2, 15 hours, 30 hours, it is totally. Third day, de-shuttering 40 percentage, 2 carpenters, 6 helpers, 4.5 hours, that is 36. Cleaning of shutters 4 helpers, 4.5 hours, 18 hours. Shifting of shutters to the next level, 8 helpers, 4.5 hours, 44 hours. Erection of wall shutters 50 percentage, that is 2 carpenters and 6 helpers, 5.5 hours each, 44 hours. Kicker removing and lifting to the next level, that is 100 percentage of 4 helpers, 4.5 hours each, 18 hours. Kicker fixing 2 carpenter and 4 helpers, 3.5 hours each, 21 hours. Soldier fitting and fixing 100 percentage job, 4 helpers, 3.5 hours, that is 14 hours. Kicker bolt fixing 4 helpers, 8 hours, that is 32 hours. Kicker and external shutter alignment, that will be done 100 percentage, 2 hours, and 2 carpenters, 8 helpers, 4 hours each, 40 helpers. Supervision and maintenance charges, supervisors 2, 15 hours, 30 hours. Pouring of concreting, carpenters helpers during fixing concreting casting, 1 carpenter and 3 helpers, 7 hours, that is 28. So total number of hours is being worked out 1970 hours. Total area of shuttering is 1075 square meter. The man hour spent is 1075 square meter is 1970 hours. That means answer number of man days will be 1970 divided by 8 is equal to 257. out of which 60% is the carpenter, that is equal to 155. 40% will be helper, that is equal to 102. Carpenter cost 155 into 500 is equal to 77,500. Helper cost 102 into 300, 30,600. Total labor cost for 1075 square meters is equal to 1,08,100. Cost of labor per square meter is equal to 1,08,100 divided by 1075 is equal to 101 rupees. Total cost analysis as follows. Material cost 104 rupees, which has been explained already. Labor cost is 101 rupees. So the total cost is 205 rupees. Add contingency 5%, that is a 12 rupees. So the net cost is 217 rupees per square meter. This rate might vary according to the cost of the aluminum formwork, labor rate prevailing at your site, and the productivity of the labor at the site. Based on this, you can work out your own analysis. This is purely a labor productivity analysis. Courtesy of this productivity analysis has been provided by Mr. Dhyan Deshmukh. Thank you for watching this presentation. The above cost analysis might vary depend upon the type of formwork you are purchasing, labor productivity, and the reusable capability and everything. This presentation is purely an outlay so that you can work on it. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. Link is as follows. Thank you for watching this presentation once again. Kindly subscribe, like, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. Kindly subscribe. Thank you once again.